Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create a landing page. So the first thing you want to do is, well, you want to familiarize yourself with the back office. So you go to royaltie.com, okay, royaltie.com, and you click over here to login. Okay. Don't bookmark anything, just go to royaltie.com and click on login. And then you go ahead and log in here with the account that you set up when you placed your order. Okay, so once you log in, you're going to click on where it says landing pages. And then you're going to click on add new. And okay, so once you're here, this is where you create and edit your landing page. So you're just populating fields. Just fill out everything you want, and then you're going to preview. You have questions how it's going to look or anything like that, just enter information, save it, and preview it, and you'll see the result. That's the quickest and easiest way. Don't get stuck with questions. The easiest recommendation is just fill it out, everything that you can, and just take a look. That's the quickest way that you're going to get your answer. So you're going to have page name. So this is page name. Okay, I'm just going to put enter page link. It has to be one word. This is my special link. Okay, so whatever you type here, okay, like my store 111, okay, if it's available, that's going to be your link that you're going to use in your ad or anywhere really for you to share. Okay, if you don't understand it, just stay with me. You're going to see when you're previewing it, it's easier to see it than to explain it. So this is going to be your link. Okay. What I recommend right away is just click on save and publish. Everything you do here has to be saved and published or saved. Okay, so once you click on save, now this is actually being saved, so now you're editing it. So you can actually click on preview over here, and it opens it up with a tab, and it takes you to the URL that you just set up. You see, mystore111.now.site. So that's the address for this particular landing page that I'm creating. That's the address of the link that you're going to use in your ad. That's the address of the link that you're going to post or you're going to share so people can get to this landing page. Right now the landing page is blank. We just created it. So we're going to start entering information. Okay. So then you have site logo, site hero, and hero image. The logo is going to appear up here, and the hero image is just a big banner image that shows up here. Okay. I click over here where it says add image. I click, and then it's going to prompt me so I can find an image. And I do the same thing. I click over here, and then it's going to prompt me to find an image. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, so once you have the About Me filled out, just fill it out. Okay, I'm just entering information. I put up an image there. There are social media links, phone number, email. This is all optional, so you fill out whatever you want to display on your page. Click OK. Okay, as you can see, it starts taking shape. Logo, hero image, your image, profile picture. And now I'm going to click, and also I can change the primary color. You'll see that where that makes a difference later on with the buttons. So now you just add sections. Okay, you click over here where it says add section. These are the options of sections that you can add. The one that I would definitely recommend is the customer form. That's going to be your capture form. So this becomes a capture page. Okay. So just a form where people put information. Okay, I click on it, And then these other fields, just enter, you know, headline, sub-headline, description, what the person is going to give you, their name, phone number, email. The email is required, so if you want them to submit the name, you check over your name. If you want them to submit the phone number, you check the phone number. And just fill it out. Fill it out, like I said, fill it out, and you'll see where it shows up, and then you'll have a better idea what to put. Okay? This is the sub-headline. Okay? I'm not teaching you the creative part. I'm just telling you, showing you how to do it. This is the description. Okay? Title there. The button title is what the button will say, the text that the button has. Just get more info, for example, or get info now. The button color, you can change the button color here. And redirect URL. This is where, after they click on the button and they submit the information to you, you have the option to take them to a website, like another website or somewhere else, okay? Your Facebook page, whatever. Anywhere you want to take them after they submit their information. It's optional, so I'm going to just leave it blank for now. Click OK. Okay, so this is how the form shows up. Name, phone number, email, get more info, that's the button. So there's your title, your headline, your subheadline, your description. Okay, so whatever you want to put there, that's how you do that. At the very bare minimum, that's what you should have in your capture page. I suggest you add a little bit more. Just, you know, what exactly is it that you're offering? I mean, you can say that here in the headline and the description, or you can add more sections. You can add another section for a headline, another feature block. You can play around with these. You can add a video. If you click on video, you just put the YouTube link here or the Vimeo link, and it'll preview. It'll show up here. Okay. Let me just add something random. Okay, so I just picked up a random video from YouTube. I put the link here, and it shows up here. This is a headline. Okay, again, whatever I want to put there, sub-headline. You have headline. You have place to put a description of the video is required. You know, say something. This is space that you have to say something. Okay. Scroll down. Okay. Headline, subheadline, and the video shows up here and the description of the video. Okay. So you can, once you put information here, you can actually move them around. So you see the video is down here and the form is up here. You can go ahead and move. You click and drag. Can you see? Just move the video on top. You just click and move. Okay. So once you have sections, you can move them and order them. Okay. So let's say first you want your video introduction. You know, your call to action, and then below is the form so they can submit the information. Okay? If you want to add an image, you can do an image, a map, another button. You can play around with this. I'm going to add an image. Okay, so I just picked an image, and you can change the transparency. Call it opacity. Doesn't really matter. You just play around with it. Play around with it, play around with it, and then it's preview. And that's how you learn. Click OK. Okay, so the image section appears down here. Okay. Headline. Maybe you don't. You know, the headline shows up on top of the image. Since this image has text and everything, maybe I can click on edit. By the way, once you add a section to make changes, you click over here, edit or delete. See, edit, this is the little pencil. So let's say I want to change this headline and remove this. Let's click on edit. And I'm just going to remove the headline and subheadline. I just want to show the image. Click OK, and there's the image. Okay? Again, this is the image. I can move them around by dragging and dropping them. So you can say, you know, basically you can tell you a story. You can tell you a message, okay? Let's say I have a video, the image, and the form. That's basically it. You can continue adding sections and playing around with that, and that's how that is. So Once you're done, you always want to save, okay? So I click on Save and Publish. Okay, you can copy the URL. The URL is your link. If I click on Preview, it opens up a browser and it shows you your page, your landing page. So here it is. Logo, arrow image, your profile picture, the video, okay, the image. And once somebody enters their information here and click on Get More Info, you are going to see this contact information in your app. And the app is going to show up, and it's also going to show up on your back office. So if you go back to the back office, you click over here, where it says Contacts, you're going to see all your contacts, all your leads in this area where you click on Contacts. Okay? You can go ahead and test it yourself, right? If you just fill it out. Again, how is it going to look? If you have questions, you can probably answer them yourself by just testing. Okay? How is this going to work? Some information here, and see what happens. Okay? You're going to see it. Okay? It's going to come up on your phone, and it's going to come up on the app. So this is the link, again, that you're going to use in your ad. So you're going to copy this link, and now you're going to go back to the app or the landing page once this is working on the back office to create your ad. Okay, so right now you can go to the app and create your ad. You're going to need the headline, description, the image, and this is the link that's going to take them to this page.